that's a part of the culture, and I would welcome it. But I'm trying to call Demarco from the other day, and I'm not getting him. I don't know what's happening. What fully body is booked already, waiting on him. But I just can't find Demarco.
People don't hear that. People don't hear that. They hear that my ears alone have fooled me. What's good YouTube gang? Your boy Jambisco back with another banger video. Yo, people, when I see the video, when I see the clip. Yeah, man, yeah, that was none other than Mr. Laing himself. You see me, I say, the owner Sting. You see me, the man responsible for the legendary Sting show, you know, man. You don't know what happen every year, you know, man. The biggest clash show in our world, they start it all, you know, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, Mr. Laing himself was on live with the JATV radio host, Wiz JATV, big up yourself. Yeah, man, alongside with long-time legend DJ Nuffy. You see me, I say, and they was on live and they was talking about Sting and whether or not Wagwan, if Mr. Laing hear about the clash, Wagwan with Demarco, Coyote, and Fully Bad. You see me, I say, and Wiz, when I heard and ask Mr. Laing, say, yo, Wagwan, do you pick up the show with Pablo YG versus Maladan? Do you have any chance of picking up this? And people, Mr. Laing drop a bang upon way. The man say, yo, not only I'm gonna pick up a show, but yo, Fully Bad book already. You see me? Fully Bad book already, people. And he can't find Demarco from out there. He might look for Demarco and can't find him. So I call Demarco phone and all these things. Can't get in contact with Demarco. You see me? I say, oh, go on, people. We don't want to think, you know. What go on now? We don't want to think what I think right now. You see me? I say, we don't want to think the worst or worse. Cause me there one day now. I wonder if I run Demarco, run from the clash. I wonder if, hey, I wonder if they run from the clash. Cause enough people are saying, you know, Demarco, you know, he might be good in the both, but he's not, you know, when he come on stage might be a different story. You know, Fully Bad might, you see me, overtake on the party, but people, me not want to hold up what I go. I go on a little piece I clip and see what go on and see what Mr. Laing at. And he also give you a little breakdown of the history of Sting and all of the artists that come through Sting. So you see me I say, so we are go pass the we'll take a look at the clip.
Yo.
Go and come on live right now. Tell a friend and tell your friend.
Yo, you hear what going on, people? Legend.
You just put everything to him and sign about this clash of Fully Bad and everything.
All right then, will do.
All right, let's hook him up.
All right, people, listen to what going on.
With the big promoter.
They don't know that, hey, MC no fear the money name, I make it happen. I feel culture, people. Exclusive.
Hello.
Laing.
Yeah.
Radio.
Hey, you're live right now on J Radio. Wally Papi, 700 odd people listening.
Before you do anything, let us introduce your people. This is Isaiah Laing, the man for the show, the man of the moment, the man who make it happen. Mr. Laing, you're talking to one of the number one YouTuber in our world right now, JA Radio. JA Radio,
hey,
Mr. Laing.
Much respect. Hey, bless up.
Blessed everyone on stream.
Yo, definitely.
Respect, man.
Much respect.
And thank you guys for having me on this one.
No, definitely
not.
Legend in
the Ram Jam world, brother. I ram that.
Yo, definitely. We're glad Sting is back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
For the culture.
Yeah, man.
And the best part of the culture that
man.
we all grew up on Sting. I know definitely me grew up on Sting. What memories. And look like we are create some new memories. You know what I mean? We see the lineup already. We want to tell about the show.
Yeah. The show is back at Jam World this year, and I go back for the team that we used 2002, the 10 Giants. And I go for the 10 Giants because when you go for the Giants like that, every artist have to come with them A game. Every artist, every single one of the 10 will want to be the super giant for the night.
Definitely.
So they are going to give the people what they paid for.
So Laing, we know Sting response for the clash culture, you know. I know say all of we all gathered here tonight for the sake of clashing. And currently we have a nice clash going right now. Demarco, Fully Bad, Coyote. But I know if we can see something incorporating a Sting. What do you think?
That's a part of the culture, and I would welcome it. But I'm trying to call Demarco from the other day, and I'm not getting him. I don't know what's happening. What Fully Body is booked already, waiting on him. But I just can't find Demarco.
Demarco! Hey, Isaiah Laing. Demarco was literally here 5 minutes ago in the chat room. 5 minutes, I'm active. Yeah, someone understand what I want.
Ask him to call me. Let us put some pen and paper in something that we just get it going.
Yo, definitely this is for the culture people. Demarco definitely link up. You can't have a legend and reach out. That unprofessional. What going?
I remember the last time Demarco came to this thing, most people might not even know this. It was him and Massacre on stage was supposed to clash and it never went off. Well, that was the last time, 2014.
True.
So he should just come and do it good this time.
True. We're definitely gonna make it happen because dancehall need this. Dancehall definitely needs thing.
And the younger artists, them just need to understand. Because I'm glad that it's an older one and a younger one going out there and just understand the culture. So just do it for the music and for the sake of the people. We don't want any war. Because the clashes used to happen over the years and we never used to have any feud. But it's like the generation change and a lot of things happening. That's why I'm kind of weary about doing it still.
Right.
We just have to keep it's not the artists themselves, it's the fans. The fans are the ones who normally get out of hand at times.
All right, I realize that Sting always in tune with the culture, because I realized the last show you brought on Malidan YG. I'm glad they're on the live right now. If you could explain the thought process behind that.
And both of them will be back on the show this year. And I was thinking that YG is coming to Malidan ground. Malidan is from Waterford, right next door. He's coming on his young. They're not going to be clashing, but at least lyrics are going to fly.
Facts. So that means that Sting definitely not have a problem to support the new talent.
No, man. We have to remember say we boss artists,
Facts.
We boss young artists. Right now at the front of the show, you have about 20 new ones that will get them chance to be a superstar later. Every one of these big names that is on the show this year came through Sting. Every one of them.
Well, people, this year we have Ragarugi, Oh, good. Yep. Yo, Sting, reach out, man. We get a little bit of Ragarugi.
Yeah,
quick.
He reached out to me a long time, and then I reached back out to him and I say, yeah, that got happen.
Yo, I rate that.
I tell you, I was just speaking to him not too long. I'm saying phone a blow up. Everybody want to make but them are there at Jamaica.
Yeah,
he will be here.
Yo, Ragarugi is got you enough it.
Radio, where you have it, Mr. Laing, where you have it teach these people who on the net who don't really understand. As you say, most of the artists from Buju Banton to Beres Hammond, I want you to make them understand.
Every one of them, man. Remember, say 40 years, this is Sting 40th anniversary,
Oh,
no one you explain this to them.
Every one of them has been through Sting. Buju Banton first big show was Sting when he won the call him out 1991.
History.
See?
History. And that's it. From that, he never turned back.
Tell him about Spragga Benz.
Spragga Benz, same way. 1994, he took that show. 94. I never seen so much white rag fly.
Yeah.
Then wave the rag. I don't know, man. Get everybody in the audience to carry a white rag that year.
No, but Sting is this show where all of these artists did have to find
every one of them. Anthony B. 1994 also. 93 or 94?
No, 94.
94, yes. 94. When he went out and said fire upon Rome. And I want to tell you, Anthony B. boss right there. So he went out 10:30 in the night. And him caused gunshot to fire.
History. Yo, Sting definitely build giants. Definitely.
Yeah, man. First, I'm from him did that. First, I was working on a big show. And him got Jam World and him man said fire upon Rome. You couldn't hear ears in Jam World.
Nah, man, we definitely grow up.
He's a planting cool.
We definitely grow up on Sting, and I'm happy to hear that the tradition gotta continue and the young artists them get a chance to grace that stage, cause that stage is sacred, you know. If you prove yourself on Sting stage, you know, you're ready for your world, you know.
No, and the Sting stage is the hardest thing. That show is the hardest audience to please. And once you please them, you are in for the big times.
Now tell them where Bounty Killer and Beenie Man come from.
That's right there. 1993. That's the two of them clash at Sting. And it's that same clash that what's the name? Yeah, man, I'd send them on, man. But I'm telling you what just happened the other day with Versus. It's that they did.
Mm-hmm. No, this is crazy.
It's that thing, you know. It's that thing they reenact at Versus. I make a lot of money and then they don't even give me a thanks. Not even a big up.
You know, hear what going people? Demarco definitely link up, yo. You can't have a legend and reach out like that. You know what I mean? For the culture right now, yeah. We want to hear this rectified. We're going to reach out to Marco, see what we can do. And you know, MC nothing I give up as well.
We never give up, man.
And I just say this year now, I want the people to know that the show is going to be starting at 7 o'clock.
Okay.
And I'd love for the people to come out early because I want them to cheer on the young talents. The young ones that are going to be working, they need people in the audience for them to work too. Yeah. Because nothing, if it's one person in Jam World at 7 o'clock, the show is going to start.
You see what when we try to explain to them about Sting. Sting is the only show on earth where you have more than 4 or 5 artists enhanced to the next level every year.
Every year.
Every year.
Every year.
I'm definitely gonna add this point. Say, yo, Sting is the only show me can say we represent for the pure form of dancehall night rise farm. Yes. Sting represent for that. I'm gonna rate that.
That's it. You have it right.
It's a gladiator sports.
It's a gladiator sport. Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. We agree. We definitely have to support Sting people. Definitely. We're glad for your side back again. Hopefully we have the next 40 years to go. Because dancehall not gonna ever die, man. Definitely.
Yeah, because I'm handing it down to the younger generation now. My son, they are learning very fast. I keep them with me right now, and they're gonna be taking it on.
Oh, them can carry on the legacy. All right.
Yeah, man, the legacy goes on. And a lot of people come and want to buy it, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of people approach for me to buy it, and I said no. This is for Jamaica. Let it stay here.
Respect to that. Respect to that.
Hey,
you're nothing.
You said something earlier on a while ago. Say Sting is here to stay and not to die. Now we are all on a limb with dancehall where we as the same people of dancehall, it's come like we don't understand what culture. Just like how we have people, we don't share the love with each other. Some of us share, but some of us don't. You see, Sting have been sharing love, true love, dancehall love, and real dancehall to each and every one from its start to today. It's what, 41st, right, Mr. Laing?
No, man, it's 40th.
40th. Yeah, okay.
40th. This is our 40th year. See, and in a way, everybody has said that this come bite off a dancehall, that come bite off a dancehall, this genre bite off a dancehall, hip hop bill off a dancehall. Everything we see right now bill off a dancehall. So we have some people where we are trying to remove that thing from out of your head. Where you
Yeah, man, people. Yeah, man, you don't see the clip. That was a JA Radio stuff. Big up to JA Radio again. I go and put in the work for the culture, man. They really have to turn up the live, and you know what I'm saying, turn up the clash and everything, and make, you know, the culture go on there. But yeah, man, that was a clip, man. You see that Mr. Laing himself, the boss himself, responsible for Sting, dog. The biggest clash show, dog. You don't know. I did responsible for the culture. You see me, I say, and the man make you know say you're fully bad. Book already. I look for Demarco and can't get in contact with Demarco people. And you know, we don't want to think the worst. You see me, I say, we don't want to think say big artist like Demarco run for the clash after I even call out the artist them and thing. You see me, I say. Also, people, me no hear nothing about Coyote. You see me, no hear nothing about Coyote. Me wonder if that's why foot type I fight the thing. So maybe foot type they want Coyote and tend to get booked for that and them show them layers of the thing. You see me, I say, I mean, no hear nothing about yo, so we don't know what go on, people. You see me, I say. But yeah, man, people, I couldn't know, you see, me know the thoughts on the topic there, and see, you see me, I say, cause, yeah, man, me don't know what go on. Oh, yeah, Demarco have your answer, and after him call out for the war there, him say thing could have got stink, cause him a fully bad that talk about stink, you know, you see me, and say, yo, war can go on till stink, can go on till next year. Well, so Laing there, they're ready for, you know what I'm saying? Get the thing signed up, get everything planned out, you see me, the people them want it, so why problem? You see me, I say, Demarco, I know, man. Demarco, you got 24 hours. Or you run. You see me, I say, maybe only bad nice studio want to see on the stage, man. I want to hear, man. Yeah, man, give people a nice time. Revive the culture, man, and do the right thing. You see me, I say, well, yeah, man, people, I don't know. Let me know the thoughts on that in the comments below. You see me, I say, and definitely go show JA Radio some love and support, gang. You see me, I say, let me talk about you. Who not bringing at the war? You see me, fully bad, Demarco, Coyote. Who no want to see a sting? Fully bad V versus Coyote. Fully bad versus Demarco versus Fully bad. Demarco versus Coyote. Do you want to see Demarco against all three? You see me, I say, you can't take Demarco out of the equation. You see me, I'm a big artist, and the other two are the underdogs. You see me, saying they can't. You see me, they throw the big artist. You see me, I say so. Yeah, man, game, you know one thing like comment section. They don't know. They wanna get hot, man. You see me, they wanna get nice. They wanna get nice. It's getting interesting by the moment. You see me, I say, gang, so you don't know. The next time, gang, I boy Jambisco knocks there with another banger. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.